Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Pepe update today. And I think Pepe could have actually bottomed out right now. Okay, and it's a little bit of an urgent update. The reason is maybe Bitcoin is the one that is looking to bottom out, and we have almost had this conversation before, whether we will move all the way down to 330, or we could actually form a double bottom in here and try to move to the upside. Now, for some reason, there could be a chance where we have this as our bottom as well. So number one is we still have this huge support. Okay, this is a very big support, of course. Right over here, we have a lot of influence. We had one touch in there, we had one touch in here, we had another touch and then an uptrend at that line, we had another touch and an uptrend, another touch and an uptrend, one more touch, uptrend, one more touch, almost an uptrend. I would actually just say this is a huge demand box. Okay, so this is a box where buyers demand it. So we call it demand box because buyers are demanding the prices to come here for entry. So we demand it. We're claiming it. We're doing command now. We're commanding the prices. Now, on top of that, the RSI is building to the upside in such a way that it's a magnet. I don't know if I'm gonna find an emoji of magnet or not. It's gonna be super hard to find a magnet in here. But yes, consider, I'm gonna draw an ugly magnet for you. So how does it look like? Okay, so this is a magnet right over here. Okay, that ugly magnet, and it's almost as if when you make a divergence like this on the RSI, the magnet is kind of pushing the prices to come up. It is not actually going to support the prices to go down. So previously, when you had the bearish divergence, look at the bearish divergence here, right? It's the opposite. When you had the bearish divergence, the magnet was actually down there to push the prices and to go to the downside. And now when you have the bullish divergence, it's almost like you have the magnet right over here to push the prices to go back up. And you could even see 890 in the coming few days. You could actually see 900, maybe even break above 900. If you do that, then you're good to go to 1500 as well, and time will tell. At least for now, on the 15 minutes time frame, if we just go slowly and step by step with how the candles are developing, then one thing I can definitely show you is that we do have a pattern, and this pattern is a very good successful pattern. I'm just going to remove the drawings in here, and you can see that it's almost as if we have inverse head and shoulders, and this inverse head and shoulder show that Pepe is ready to go from the top to bottom, and you are good to go to 738, and that's gonna be a nice amazing 11.4%. so if any of you wants to get the trade, take the trade, put a stop loss down at 627. Congratulations in advance, because I have a feeling you will win 10% or 12%. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is